everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Now we are going to take this blue color of fabric, fold it and make strip. As you can see, we are going to make multiple cut on two different color of fabric. You can use a paper or a cardboard piece and stitch both of them together. Now we are going to make this pattern. So hold it in an alternate way and start stitching it on one side. Fold each strip as you can see, and then we are going to stitch it. After this, you can simply put it on the top of the fabric and stitch it from the both side, and then we are going to put another fabric at the bottom part and then on the top as well, and look, it's done. After this, we are going to remove the paper and look how simple and easy this design is. Here we're going to stitch the zip on the top of the fabric, so let's get started. So take this blue color of zip and stitch only one portion. As you can see, we are drawing the line on the other part, and then we're going to hold the zip like this and stitch it again. Now we're going to flip the fabric and you can see the stitching part and cut like we're doing here. Fold the fabric and stitch it in a straight line. Look how we are folding the fabric from both the sides, and it's done. You can easily repeat the same process and it's done. Here we are going to learn how you can make this beautiful neck design. We all have seen double-sided fabric on the neck part, so let's learn how you can do it. As you can see, we are going to take two strips of this printed fabric and stitch it on the bottom part. Now we are going to make a cut and then stitch it from both the sides. Look how we are folding the pink color of fabric inside the printed one, and then we are going to stitch it like this. Finally, we are going to make a double stitching on the bottom part of the neck, and look, your design is ready. We are going to learn how you can stitch the lapped zipper. In this one, another fabric will cover the zip. As you can see, we are going to stitch two fabrics together and cut a small portion and then stitch it on one side. Now we are going to put the yellow color of zip on the top of the fabric. As you can see, we are going to fold it. Put another paper for the stitching. This will give you an idea, and then remove the paper. Now we are going to put it again. Here we are going to overlap the zip. Look how we are doing here, and then stitch it in a straight line. Finish it from the back side as well, and look, this is ready. So you can also do it. We're going to learn how you can make these warm gloves at home. So let's get started. You can take a felt fabric or any old sweater and reuse it. Here we're going to take the stretchable fabric. Now we're going to stitch both of them together, and then we're going to draw a line. So put your hand on the top of the fabric and trace lines around it, as you can see. After this, we're going to stitch it according to the line, and then cut the extra part of the fabric using a scissor. Now we're going to flip the fabric. Look how we're doing here, and adjust it, and look, it's done. After this, we're going to fold it from the bottom part, look like this, and stitch it again from the corners. You can also stitch beautiful prints. Thank you so much for watching this video.